Come along and join me now upon this glory train. There ain't nobody perfect here upon this glory train. See, Jesus says the driver, he's the only one we trust, 'cause he bled and died on Calvary for every one of us. He leads us through the darkness and through the light of day, through all the peaks and valleys and such along the way. Because we're only human and we're not immune from pain. So come along and join me now upon this glory train. Glory train, glory train. He'll stop for you, he stopped for me, he'll leave no one behind. He'll greet you arms wide open, he came lost to find. One day he'll meet that devil on a field of fiery rain. So come on board, we're victory bound upon this glory train. Glory train, glory train, glory train, glory